There are many friends requested me to make another video on the doorknob lock or cylindrical lock. So how if you have any old lock and then you don't know how to open, where is the lock to open in easiest way that you just see and then straight away open without any technician at home. So this video will help you how you can open the doorknob lock. Now you can see, you find any screwdriver or small test pin, you can see there is one pin you have to push inside, then pull out the handle. That is the simple and easiest way. You can see the pin, there is pin, this one is the actually lock the handle. Now I show you in the zoom, you can see I fix back. You can see there is the one hidden lock you have to press to come out this handle. So I press that one to take out the handle. So that is the easiest method, that you open the both side handles like that, and then after that you have to screw to open your cylinder lock. Now this side also same, we open first the screw. If you don't want to open the screw also, you just push the pin and then take out first the handle, and then after that you can easily take out your handle. So I'm opening the screw first. Now I push the pin inside to take out the handle. It's already broken, this old lock, but I just show you the method that how you can open. That is the cylinder lock. So normally this lock is push from outside to inside. And if you want to learn how you can fix the cylinder lock, I will put the link in description. So easiest way to, you can watch the video and then you can fix the lock back in your door. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video with the new tips, new tricks. Thank you.